son of a bitch!
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences,
cock and
ball,
torture,
and the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
there was the grand opening at Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
Six months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic
violence.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Welcome!
What the fuck?!
I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, founder of the Megacorp Company in the Galaxy. I'm sorry to incapacitate you, but our entire galaxy is in a very precocious situation. I must humbly request your sustenance.
Can we just skip to the end, please?
Indubitably! A few days ago, this top-secret biological experiment was stolen from our testing laboratory by this dupliferous criminal mastermind, and I need you to get the experiment back.
We'll do it!
We will?
We've used bipolar vector regurgitation to track the thief's location to a flying base in Sector 7. Infiltrate the base and retrieve the experiment.
Sir, ready for knalC?
Oh, shit! Shit!
Good work, my boy. You are proving to be invaluable in this underwear. Anywho, it appears the thief is now under the protection of less for thugs, but I may have found a way for you to insinuate their operation.
Is it
very dangerous?
No. Actually, yes, it is.
Good.
Contract me as soon as you get more indignation. Fizzwidget, out.
Clank? Okay, Clank. Don't move. I'm coming down. Whoa!
It says, in case of emergency, break wrench with class. Hold on. This one says, use class to break rocked to get clashed to break wrench to get rocked. Ooh, I love large puzzles. Let's see. If you break the glass with the...
Solved it.
Bye now. Enjoy the hygienator. Remember, you bought it from Feast. Feast, Mako. Indeed. Now that I've sold my 1 millionth hygienator, I can finance the comeback of the greatest superhero who ever lived. And Quark Captain! All I need now is a new galaxy with a new fan base so I can rescue them from a new disaster!
And everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.